In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and sync files on OneDrive. We'll walk through the simplest way to get your documents, photos, and folders into the cloud so they're safe, backed up, and available across your devices. Start by opening OneDrive, either in your web browser at the OneDrive site or in the OneDrive app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want the content to live, especially if you use both personal and work profiles. Once you're in your OneDrive, look near the top area of the page or window for the Upload button. Click Upload. You'll see two choices, Files or Folder. Pick Files if you want to upload one or more individual items like a PDF, a photo, or a presentation. Pick Folder if you've already organized a set of items on your computer and want to keep that structure in OneDrive. Choosing Folder preserves the subfolders and their contents as they are, which can save time later and helps with consistent organization. After you choose Files or Folder, your computer's file picker opens. Browse to the location where your items are stored, select what you want, and confirm. On most systems, you can select multiple files at once. If you're uploading a folder, select the folder name itself and proceed. OneDrive begins transferring your content to the cloud. You'll typically see a small progress indicator showing upload status. Keep your browser tab or app open until the upload completes, and try to stay on a reliable network, since larger videos or archives can take longer. If your device goes to sleep, the upload may pause, so it's a good idea to keep it awake during large transfers. When the upload finishes, your files are now stored in the cloud. That means you can access them from any device where you use OneDrive and are signed in to the same account. Edits you make in the web experience will reflect across your devices, and the OneDrive app will keep your content up to date. You can verify the upload by checking that the items appear in your OneDrive list with a recent timestamp. Try opening a file to confirm it loads, and use the Details view to see size and version information. If you're nearing your storage limit, you may want to tidy up older items or split large uploads into smaller selections. A few final tips for smooth uploads. Give files clear names so they're easy to find later. Group similar items into folders before you upload and avoid special characters in file names that some systems don't recognize. If you see a duplicate warning, decide whether to replace the existing file or keep both versions. And if an upload is interrupted, repeat the same steps to resume. That's it. You've uploaded your files to OneDrive and set them up to sync across your devices.